Hi, in front of me is REALME GT 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. First of all, find Tools folder and tap on it. Then select Recorder and tap on Allow. After that, click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by using the same one. If you wish to end your recording, click on the right button over here, name it and choose OK at the top right corner of this pop-up. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it, selecting delete icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!